Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Madhavi Dosapati. So one day what happened was, there was a king who called upon all of his wise men and asked this one simple question, guys. Do you know what is it? This king asked all those wise men stating, well, I need one answer which can answer all my questions. Well, this answer should actually work in all the situations, like all the circumstances, like either it can be sorrow, either it can be happiness, either it can be joy, it can be every day or at any time it should help me out. Is there any such suggestion? Well, something which can actually help me out when none of you are available to advise me. Please tell me if there is any such suggestion. Then for that, all the wise men were puzzled. They thought for a long time. They thought and thought. After a lengthy discussion, there was an old man who came up with one such answer. Wow! Do you know, everyone were appealed with the answer which this old man stated. Then they immediately put it in paper and they went ahead and handed it over to the king. The king, out of curiosity, he was about to open the paper, the folded paper. Then they immediately stopped the king and stated, King, please do not open the paper now. Rather, open it when you're real need, when you are stuck, when there is no one to advise you. Please open it when you're in real urgent need only. Then for that, the king accepted. And he folded the paper and he actually put it under his diamond ring. Sometime later, the neighbors attacked the kingdom. The king and his army fought bravely, but unfortunately lost the battle. Then what happened? The king had to flee from there. He got into the horse and just went ahead. Well, the enemies were chasing him so badly. He kept on going. He went to a place where there was no road forward. It was the dead end. And can you guess what? He was standing at the place where there was a rock valley. Underneath it was 1,000 feet. If he jumps, he's finished. But the enemies were chasing him so badly. He could hear the horses, the footsteps. His heart was really. He didn't know what to do. He was struck. Then suddenly there was a spark. The diamond ring, it was flashing. It was under the sun. When he asked those wise men, right, for a suggestion on what to do in every circumstances, in every situation, he immediately recollected that. You know what he did? He slowly pulled out the paper which he put under his diamond ring. And he unfolded it and he read this statement. Can you guess what is it? What could it be? What is that statement which can actually fit into all the situations, at every circumstances, at every sorrow, joy? It can be defeat or victory. Can you guess, guys? It was a wonderful suggestion, wonderful mantra I have ever seen. It reads like this. This too shall pass. Exactly, guys. The statement, the suggestion, the mantra was, this too shall pass. Then immediately there was a calm on his face. The place where he was standing was full of beautiful scenery. It was so beautiful that he never ever got a chance to look at it. He was so busy. He was so busy in his work that he couldn't even think that there was such a wonderful place in his kingdom. And slowly, everything was just calmed down. Even those enemies have taken another route into the mountains and he was saved. Then after some time, he regained all the power and he got his army and they have well prepared this time. And when the enemies came in again, when the neighbors came in again to fight, he defeated that. And now what happened, after he defeated, when he was going back to his kingdom, he was being welcomed with a lots and lots of love, support, whatnot. Flowers been showering on him from every place, from every corner of that kingdom. Everyone were praising him. He was filled with joy, and slightly his face was turning into different color. He was getting a little ego. And he was thinking, if it's not me, no one could have ever done this. No one could have got the defeat to this kingdom. Probably it's only me. Then, you know what happened? There was a little shine. The diamond was shining. Because of the sun, the diamond was shining, and that shine hit his face. And he immediately looked at the diamond. Then again he recollected. Oh, the message. He opened the paper and read it. Then again he read the same thing. This too shall pass. Exactly, guys. Sometime back he was worried. He was sad that his kingdom, they lost it. Exactly. But now they have defeated, and there was a little ego. After reading that statement, this too shall pass, he was again back to normal. He was being very humble. And later there was no ego on his face. Rather, he understood that this too shall pass. Then suddenly everything became normal. He became a very humble person. Then the king understood that everything will pass. This too shall pass. Exactly, guys. Now that you're seeing this video, just close your eyes and recollect all those moments. That is, the moments of happiness, the moments of sorrow, the moments of feeling low. Remember? Exactly, guys. None of them were stuck, right? Everything passed on. Exactly. Remember, guys, if you're going through any trouble, or if you think that the life is taking nowhere, or if you're stuck, remember, give it some time, because this too shall pass. Nothing is permanent in this world, either the happiness or the sorrowness, either the defeat or the failure, either the joy or the sorrow. Everything will pass. We are just the watchers. Everything will pass except the law of change. Now think over from your own perspective. You have seen all the changes. You have survived all the setbacks. The problems which are in the present, this too shall pass. Joy and sorrow are the two faces of the same coin. This too shall pass away. Exactly, guys. We are just the mere watchers. Remember, guys, we are just a witness of change. Now what we have to do is just experience it, understand it, and live in the present. Enjoy the present moment. Why? Because this too shall pass. I hope you like the story and stay safe. Thank you very much, and bye.